In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple artists to Distrokid. If you manage more than one act or you release under different names, you can keep everything under one Distrokid account by using what they call artist slots. Each unique artist or band name takes one slot, and the number of slots you have depends on your subscription plan. First, take a moment to check which Distrokid plan you're currently on. The Musician plan includes one artist only, Musician Plus allows up to 2 artists, and the Ultimate or Label plans expand that to anywhere from 5 to 100 artists depending on the tier. You can see the exact limits on the plans page inside your account. This quick check helps you know whether you already have room for an additional artist or if you'll need to upgrade. If you're on the basic Musician plan and need more than one artist, upgrade before you upload. Log in, go to your account area, choose Upgrade, and select either Musician Plus or one of the Ultimate or Label options. Upgrading unlocks additional artist slots immediately, so you can start adding new names right away. Once your plan is set, open the Upload page. In the Artist or Band Name field, you'll see your existing artist in the drop-down. If you still have open slots, you can simply type a brand new artist name into that box. This is how you create a new artist within your account. Be precise here. Use the exact capitalization and spacing you want stores to display and choose a name that won't be easily confused with another act. From here, upload your music just like you normally would. Enter the song or album title, choose the genre, set the release date, add your cover art, and upload your audio files. Make sure your artwork looks clean and professional and that your audio is final and properly tagged. A thoughtful release date gives stores time to process and playlist editors time to discover your track. After you submit, Distrokid will process the release and deliver it to the stores. When the release goes live, that new artist name becomes a permanent artist slot on your account. You'll then see it in the artist dropdown the next time you upload, so you can select it without retyping anything. That's the entire flow. Confirm your plan, upgrade if needed, type the new artist name during upload, submit your release, and after it goes live, use the dropdown for future uploads under that artist.